Hi everyone, I am Pratik from the Hives and I warmly welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see few enhancements that has been done in NX 1926 version if we compare to the previous versions of version 10, 11 and 12. The first thing you will observe here is the interface change. Since last three versions the interface was not updated, but in 1899 series since on the interface icons has been improved with the orange color icons. You can see here it's really looking nice. Means I personally like it. Even there is a feature for changing the views. You just need to click the line or pick up the cube box face, so view is been aligned. So today we'll be focusing on only the sketcher part. We'll see the new solver, what it does and how the sketch interface is about. So let's get started. So I'll take up the option. So the first thing here you will see is there's no horizontal and vertical axis as in the previous version you've seen. There are dashed infinite lines all over the screen and these can be used for sketching purpose and giving references. So if you're used to shortcuts for drawing line, circle and rectangle in previous versions, few shortcuts have been cut down or removed, you can say, to replace these shortcuts with the shortcuts of constraints. And even this is a new scene bar for constraints. So let's start and see what it does. So I'm drawing a rectangle right now. As soon as you draw a rectangle, your sketch turns in brown color and it shows that your sketch is not constrained fully, or it shows that partially defined. Even if you want to give dimensions, you do not have to click on the rapid dimensions or simply press D if you're used to shortcuts. You just need to click the line. You'll see the dimensions in green color. Pick them up, place and just middle click. That's it. Pick the line, move them and middle click. Even if you want to add a few dimensions from the references, pick the reference, pick the line, pick it, place and middle click. That's it. These are the dimension. And if we fully constrain it, let's do that. I'll pick this up and place. So as soon as you constrain your sketch turns into black color. This is the new thing. If you want to modify the dimensions, you need to double click it and the arrow. Arrow is a nice feature. So you can even change the dimensions with arrows. Okay, now one more thing, if you add a similar dimensions, let's say I am repeating these dimensions below, so I'll click the line, I'll pick it up, placed. So it does not show that the sketch is over constrained. This is the new thing in NX 1926. So if you want to change the dimension in here, simply double click it. You can change it. But what happens here is, if you observe this magenta colored constrained, it will get relaxed. There's a new feature called relaxation of constraints and dimensions. So relations and dimensions relaxation is the new feature that will allow you to convert your basic geometries into profile sketches easily. So it's a really nice thing. Those who are used to draw profile sketches, and it controls the dimensions very easily. Okay, we're gonna see an example today. Let's go to that. So if you have a part, this is a sheet metal basic bracket, okay, and it's a dump model we have, and we want to build a parametric model out of it. So what we can do here is, I'll take up the section. I have already took the section here, so how to, I'll show you. When you go to view section, just save a copy of a section and say OK. So you'll get this section in groups. Now what we can do is, I'll simply hide the geometry. I'll go to the sketch, say OK. I'll project the sketch now, project curves and select all, say OK. You do not need to click on associative option, just say OK. As soon as you click OK, the new sketch solver in 1926 will automatically recognize the relations. So you can simply pick and change the section. If you want to change the angle even, you can change the angle easily, and there will not be any section modifications, or it will not break up the relations that it used to happen in even version 10, 11 and 12. So this is really nice thing. You can even update the blends easily. So changing up the section, modifying the section, it becomes really easy with this. Simply click finish sketch and you have the sketch now. You can simply extrude it. I'll go with the symmetric value. That's it. Now to complete the model, what I'll do is, I'll simply draw a line in between. I'll finish it up. I'll simply extrude the line. Even the filter options you can see it's here in the scene bar now. It wasn't as such in previous versions. I'll simply offset it. Symmetric offset. I'll simply pull up the dimensions a bit. And you can add on a few chamfers to it. Where's the chamfer? Oh, yes. Okay. I'll add up a blend. So let's have another chamfer here. Say OK, you can add up different blends. Let's give dimensions. I'll even improve the extrude a bit to here. Say OK and simply unite it. Even if you can add a shell value to it, it's completely fine. And simply unite it. Define region, and I'll remove the lower portions. Okay, you can add up the blends according to thickness, what you have given or applied to the shell. Maybe add it up a bit. And this is how you can complete your part. You can again constrain these sketches going inside, but the new sketch solver was really easy and really made the geometries to have good relations. It recognizes all the relation in between, and it's really nice feature. I just loved it. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thank you so much. Bye bye.